Alright, so basically this is the finished result of the DIY 3D printer enclosure. Now I built this, I guess, enclosure not so much to print ABS, but just because this garage here where it is and the table saw, everything just produces a lot of dust, and I just wanted to keep my printer safe in an enclosure just like this. Now I started ripping a bunch of 2x4s down, and that was a lot of ripping just for the 2x4s. I could have easily gone and bought it, but I chose to just rip it down on the table saw because I had the 2x4s on hand. And then once that was done, basically I just used brackets and I built the frame and then skinned the top with some MDF. Now once that was done, it was just a few cosmetic touches like painting the front of it and then installing the light. The light is just a cheap eBay LED strip that you can get from China, from overseas, for about $3 for about 5 meters, which is super cheap. Just runs off a 12-volt toggle switch wired into a 12-volt power adapter. That way you can plug it into the wall, and it does a really good job of just powering it up. So that's really it. And I've actually got my cabinet sitting on a metal frame, which it works. So that's it really. I didn't put a door handle on here for the simple fact that once you undo this little latch here and you open it up, well, you don't really need a door handle here. So we'll put the latch back on and that's it. But before I go, you can see how nice that looks with the light on. So I hope everyone can like and comment and subscribe. Positive and negative feedback is always welcome. You know what, if you don't have negative feedback, you'll never know if you did anything wrong or you could have done it better. So thanks for watching everyone, and I hope everyone enjoyed this short little clip of the homemade 3D printer enclosure.